This is a 2006. This is a 2006 Ford Escape. It's got intermittent problems with the alarm system, to where it would go on and at various times through the night, through the day. Dome light would come on, which basically would be on the dash. It would show that it was the door jar switch. So going through it, I've spent about 35 hours trying to figure this thing out, and boy, it's been a real booger. I ended up replacing one of these door lock sensors right here. This one right here, but I'm going to try to do this with one hand, video with the other. But essentially what I did was I tricked the system, opened all the doors up, pressed all the locks inward with a screwdriver, basically making them believe that the doors were in the closed position. During the time I did this, I caught the car when the Ajar switch was basically just flickering on and off repetitively. So, and it so happened to be a couple nights ago at 11 o'clock at night. But I come through here, opened up all the doors, tricked the system, think that it was that the doors were shut and the thing was flickering. Well, I came over to this door over here, which is the right rear, and I moved it out, did the same thing with it, and I'd already had this door apart before and cleaned the switch, but it obviously didn't do much good. But I'd push the lock in, and sometimes it would turn the light off and it would stay off, and sometimes it would, it just basically flickered back and forth. Long story short, what I did is I came in here where the connector is on the right rear door. Every door's got one. It's a wiring harness that connects the door to the frame. Let me see if I can't pull this out to where you can see what's going on here. Basically, this little thing, you got two little tabs. There's one on the top right here. You just push in with a screwdriver or like a putty knife on the top, and one on the bottom, and this thing will pull out. These are pretty much sprung. But what I did was I just bypassed that door. So in the position, the way I've got this door set up now, which is the right rear, passenger rear, when you open it, the dome light will not come on because I've overridden everything to basically think that it stays in the closed position. And to do that, what I did was, rather than going out and spending hundreds of dollars for a new lock system, there's a looks like it's a black and white stripe, this one right here, and then there's a pink, blue. It's the next row of wires up. It's the wire in the center between those three, and I can't really get a color on it. But what I did was I took a homemade contraption, basically checked the continuity between them until the lights flickered, and when they did, I pulled this thing apart, and up inside the pins I took a real small hard piece of wire. It's like a telephone wire, a hardcore wire, and basically stuck it into the hole in the black and the white, and then went over to the other wire, which was a pink and maybe a blue or a turquoise, and put it in that hole and basically put that plug together. So inside this, I've basically created a continuity chain between those two wires to think that the lights or the doors in the closed position at all times. So far, for the last 2 nights, everything seems to have worked good. However, now when you open this door up, which is this right rear one, that right rear door, when you open it up, it does not turn the dome light on. And how often, when you look at your rear doors, is it really going to make a big difference on your dome light? Because most of the time for us, we've only got passengers or people in the front seats, and when it comes to the active alarm, you're worried about theft. Generally, the only thing you're worried about is, somebody's going to get in there and steal something in your car. It's going to be through the 2 front doors, maybe even the hatch. So, and those are still active. One other thing I did, I don't know that it made any real difference or impact on this thing, but I tried it, is right in here on the back and the headliner, as you raise the hatch up inside the cabin area, there's a bullet connector in here. It's right in here. Basically, you just pull this back, pull this plastic piece off the corner post just from the top, just enough to drop the headliner down. Just stick your hand in there. There's a plastic bullet connector. In that bullet connector, there's a black and white striped wire. I came off of it and made another ground, thinking I had a bad ground connection. I thought that helped me at first, but 3-4 nights later, I'm still having the same problem. So This seemed to have fixed the problem, maybe make my neighbors happy. So good luck to you. Hope it helps you.